Ciao. It's me, CEO Baby. And yes, I'm still here. Still explaining AI to adults with full-time jobs and zero clue. Backed by popular demand. And by that I mean I had to renegotiate my fees because, let's be honest, I am the brand now. How you doing? That wasn't a question. That was judgment. So the geniuses at AI Leader Edge begged me, again, can you teach the grown-ups about another tool? Sure. Let me just cancel my nap and fire my agent. Today's lesson, ElevenLabs. It clones voices, mimics voices, creates voices. Basically, it does for sound what filters did for your face. You want to read your blog post like you actually have charisma? Done. Want to sound like Morgan Freeman delivering a breakup text? Also done. Want to clone your voice so your assistant thinks you're working while you're actually at brunch? ElevenLabs. And the voices? Mamma mia! They're so real, I had to check if one was Nona yelling at me. I've heard your voiceovers. They sound like your uncle trying to do 5 accents at Thanksgiving. Please, stop. Let ElevenLabs do the talking. Need a soft-spoken narrator. Done. Need 5 personalities arguing in your explainer video? Bellissimo. Need to say, Q4 revenue was disappointing, without sounding like you're crying? You guessed it. ElevenLabs. And listen, if this all sounds overwhelming again, AI Leader Edge already organized it for you. They made a whole library of tools just so I don't have to keep talking to you like it's tech preschool. So stop recording on your toaster. Use ElevenLabs and get fancy. And for the love of all things neural, try not to sound like you're reading from a dial-up modem. Okay? Ben, I'm done. Next tool, please, and someone bring me a bottle. Sparkling.